it's Mashid again. So today I'm gonna do the eyelash enhancement or lash line liner for my client. This procedure is very natural, it's very beautiful on any color of the eyes. So this is makes your eyes very pop. It makes your eyelashes very full. If somebody look at your eyes, they don't think you have an eyeliner. It looks like you have a full lash line. It's very natural, so these days it's very popular. And then my client, she wants something natural just to show that her eyes is popped and she has a very nice line on her lashes. So we're gonna start doing that. I already numbed one of her eyes, so I'm gonna start one eye, and then when I finish with that, I'm gonna start the other one. Thank you. So we have to move very slowly because this line is very thin. So we just want to make sure our line is very smooth and thin. Pigment is the black color that we use. So usually in a permanent makeup, we call it pigment. We're not saying like a color. Okay, so we're almost done with our liner. So usually the client have to come back between 4 to 6 weeks for their first touch-up. After that, they're good to go for over 2 years. So the line stays pretty good, but it depends on some, like how you take care of it, if you're not rubbing on it, not washing on it that much. But this is a very beautiful line, so I will post the before and after picture right after. Thank you.